हरिः कन्ना।
Okay, after coding styles, we'll be looking into uh, the most important, and most of you may like this very much. That's the styling artists. We'll be discussing about the styling artists. So most plotting methods have styling options for the artists, accessible either when a plotting method is called or from a setter on the artist. So let's take one example, and then we will understand what is that, and after that we will look into different components. So I'll say styling artists. Let's take one example. As usual, we'll go with the oops object oriented coding style. So fig comma ax, let's create two objects, sorry, and plt, the matplotlib package, and I'll take the subplots. We'll create a grid, and uh, I'll directly take one by one, a single one. So, and fig size is the one argument we are going to give. Fig size. So as usual, we'll go with 5 comma 2.7. Mm, okay, I got it. It's a tuple. Yeah, this is what our canvas, and then a layout. So now let me take a array. So we need data, right? So I'm going to take x, an array. So I'm going to create numpy array. So numpy, I'll take a range method, array range method, and inside that I'm going to put a length of data1. Data1 is the array that we have created with the random numbers method in our previous example. Here is the data1. I'll show you. Yeah, this clear. Then let me print x. This is what is our x now. This is what is our x from 0 to 99. Clear? Now let me plot now. So ax, I'm using the object oriented style, so I'll use ax object, and then I'll go for the plot. I'll go for the methods of ax object, and then x is our data that to be plotted on x-axis, and then np for the y. I'm taking a second array custom, sorry, I'll take the cumulative cum sum, that's a cumulative. Okay, cumulative of data1. We have used this cum sum method in our numpy course, I guess. And then after that I'm going to attach a color. What color would you like to have? I'll go with the blue, because the deepest color in this world, Krishna and Vishnu, Shiva and everybody, is blue. And I'll go with the line width. I'll go for the 4. And line style, yeah, that's line width. I'll go with the line style. I would be go with the uh, dashed. Clear? Let me execute and see, and this is how we got. Clear? So color is blue, line width is 4. I'll make it to 2. It would be simple, or else it's too dark, too thick, or 2.5 would be better. Yeah, it's good, it's looking good. Okay, So it's 2.5. Now let me plot one more. So this time I'll take L, a variable. I will assign it to variable, and the x dot plot, and x, the data to be plotted on x, and for y we'll take n, np come sum, same, but this time I'm gonna use data 2. And color, I'll go with the orange. Orange is another a spiritual color, has a deep meaning. That's why the nature mostly throws orange and blue color. You see, ocean is blue. You see, the sun setting and sun rising both are orange. These are the deepest colors in the ocean. There is huge spiritual meaning as well as scientific meaning to this orange and blue. So line width I'll go for 1.5 and execute it, and here is what we got. Because line style I haven't mentioned, I use the normal one, so we can use, yeah. So one is, I'm gonna reduce this also. I think it's looking too dark and too thick. One is blue color one, other one is orange. You can see both here. Clear? So now let me add L dot set line style. So now I'm gonna set a line style to that, so that I can get a different line style. Set line style. Yeah, here it is. Line style, line width. This is a different way of using styling your graphs. So I'll put, sorry, and here is that. See how beautifully looking, a dotted one, how nicely looking, brilliant, fantastic. So that's how we style it. So if you see in the plot that is on screen, we manually set the colors, we manually set the color, and we manually set the line width and the line style of the artists created by the plot, and we set the line style of the second line also after the fact with the set align style method, but whatever we did, we all did with we did manually. Okay, so now let's look into these concepts such as color, that we use line width, line style, all that information in detail. Let's begin with the colors. So matplotlib has a very flexible array of colors that are accepted for most artists. So if you wanna see, you can just get into the matplotlib documentation and see what all colors are available, and you can see, you can find the list of specifications there. So what I'm gonna do is, let me show you quick. Yeah, this is what. So when you come to colors, come to the specifying colors, and you'll see what all colors are available here, and these are the color formats. 0 as black, 1 as white, zero point 0.8 light gray. This is a string representation of float values in closed interval. So, and if you want single character shorthand notation, BGR, this is for different colors, single shorthand notation, and these are other way of representing, and we have hexadecimal, and if you want to have transparent, then this is another way of doing. Okay, these are different colors that you can explore here, what all colors that are available, and this is the complete list of matplotlib colors. Okay, so let me get back to our work. So now some artists will take multiple colors. So for example, we'll take a scatter plot now. I'll put it as colors 3. So let me build scatter plot fig, and the next two objects I'm going to create as usual will use a PLT, that's matplotlib, and then subplots. We'll set up a canvas with the layout, and then as usual fig size. I'll take a tuple of 5 comma 2.7 and execute it. Our plot is ready. Then I'm going to add a I'll take a scatter method to the ax dot scatter, and in between I'm going to give the arguments. I'll go with the data 1 first, then the data to be plotted on y-axis. I will take data 2 array, and then I'll go for the s is equals to 50 total. Then face color, I'll go with the face color, just a minute. Face color, I'll go with C0. Just a minute, I'll show you the notation. Color selection, and here are the different formats and then examples. Because the C0 is here. So what is C0 and C1? CN color spec. Okay, C is CN color spec, and C is cyan, and then after that precedes a number acting as an index to the default property color. So that's what is a C0. So now let's get back. Yeah, so now let me execute. Okay, and let me add one more color. So I want to add an edge color. So edge color is nothing but the border ones. So edge color is equals to k, and what is k here? Let's get back to the um, cn color spec. So cn color spec says k is black. So we should get a scatter plot with markers. The filled color should be, the face color should be cyan 0, and then the border color should be black. Let's execute and see what's going to happen. Okay, something, what's that issue? C argument must be a color, a sequence of colors, and it should not be C. Okay, got it. That's it. You got it? A filled color is 0. Sorry, filled color is cyan, and edge color is black. You can clearly see that the black, the scatter plots has been it consists of a markers with the filled color of cyan, and then black color as border. Clear? And if you want to do some experiments, let's check. Let's get back to the specifying colors. I'm going to go with the green, and then GR. Let's go with the GR. So I'll take G here and R here. And here is that. It's not looking that good. Red, obviously. Let's go with the C0. And this is pretty better. You have to make sure which one looks good. We'll go with yeah, yellow and black. Let's see. Yellow is Y and black is K. Oh, this is also looking good. Yeah, so that's how you can keep on experimenting with these things. Okay, total is 50, and you can do the modification, and you can have your customized plot on your screen.